Here are the definitions and example sentences from when breath becomes air for the selected terms. 1. Gurney, Korean meaning, 이송용 침대, example sentence. When we re-entered the emergency room, Paul on a gurney this time, his parents close behind us, he turned toward me and whispered, "This might be how it ends." 2. Debility, Koreaning, seak. The debility was more than physical. It was existential. 3. Lucid, Korean meaning, 의식이 또렷한, example sentence. Despite the pain, Paul remained lucid and engaged. 4. Ominous, Korean meaning, 불길한. The scan revealed an ominous shadow on his lung. 5. Neurosurgery, 신경외과 수술. Neurosurgery seemed to present the most challenging and direct confrontation with meaning, identity, and death. 6. Intubated, Korean meaning, 삽관 example sentence. Now those words opened a Pandora's box, out of which emerged all the images. The roll of the gurney, the blood on the trauma bay floor, the tube shoved down her throat. 7. BiPAP, 양압 호흡기. Before Paul's death, he has a severe shortness of breath and must use a BiPAP machine to keep oxygen flowing. 8. Delirium, Korean 선망. The medications caused episodes of delirium. 9. In lieu of, meaning, 대신에. In lieu of aggressive treatment, Paul chose palliative care. 10. Chimed in, 끼어들다. Lucy chimed in with her perspective on the treatment options. 11. Resuscitate status, Korean meaning, 소생술협 example sentence. Paul chose the do not resuscitate status at the very end. 12. Vigil, 간병. For 9 hours, Paul's family, his mother, father, Suman, Jeevan, Katie, and Lucy, sit vigil as Paul's breathing becomes increasingly effortful. 13. Forestall his decline, 그의 쇠퇴를 늦추다. They hoped the new treatment would forestall his decline. Unwitting, Korean meaning, example sentence. He became an unwitting participant in his own diagnosis. Sin cooing, 아기가 웅아리하는, example sentence. Katie's cooing brought joy to Paul's final days. 6. Oncologist, 종양학자. His oncologist discussed the prognosis with compassion. 17. And Korean meaning, 간청하다, example sentence. Lucy entreated the doctors to consider Paul's wishes. 18. Hail Mary. Hail meaning, 절박한 시도. They considered a Hail Mary treatment, knowing the odds were slim. 19. Unwavering, 흔들림 없는. Paul's unwavering commitment to his patients never faltered. 20. Ensconced, Korean meaning, 편에 앉은. Example sentence. He was ensconced in his favorite chair, reflecting on life. 21. Entwin meaning, akin. Their lives became entwined through shared experiences. Morphine, morphine. An hour later, Paul's BiPAP machine and monitors are turned off, and morphine drips steadily through his IV. Korean meaning, 정맥, example sentence. The nurse adjusted the IV to manage his pain. Sat vigil, 간병하다. For 9 hours, Paul's family, his mother, father, Suman, Jeevan, Katie, and Lucy, sat vigil as Paul's breathing became increasingly effortful. 25. Unburdened, Korean meaning, 말을 털어놓은, example sentence. He unburdened his fears in his final letter. 26. Snuggle, 포근히 안기다. Katie snuggled close to her father. 27. Slant, 기울기. The sunlight slanted through the window. 28. Chubby fists, 통통한 주먹. Katie's chubby fists grasped his finger. 29. Askew, Korean meaning, 삐딱, example sentence. His glasses sat askew on his nose. 30. Serene, meaning 평온한. Paul's expression was serene in his final moments. 31. Quizzical, 의아해하는. She gave him a quizzical look. 32. A Korean meaning. 급성암ple sentence. He experienced acute pain in his chest. If you need further assistance or more detailed explanations, feel free to ask.